Most people think data analysts don't get roles because they don't know enough tools. That is not the real problem. Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI, Tableau, you name them. Millions of people learn these tools every year. Yet, most never move beyond entry level roles. That is, if they get one at all. Data analysts don't get the role because tools don't teach you how to think. They don't teach you how to frame a business question, decide what data matters, or defend recommendations when the data is messy or incomplete. Strong analysts are trusted for judgments, not just dashboards. They understand trade offs, assumptions, risk, and impact. That foundation is what most training programs completely skip today. At a week to power, we don't start with tools. We start by diagnosing how you reason through real business scenarios and then build that analytical foundation that tools can comfortably sit on. If you want to go beyond tools, start with the clarity you need. Take our diagnostics and placement assessment. The link is in the description below. We will get back to you with your tailored feedback that will guide you on your data analytics journey, and you'll be sure to get that role.